Okay guys, this is a 2021 RAV4 Limited all-wheel drive. Presents you from Real Deal Auto. This is a rebuilt title. Did have damage to this driver's side front. All been fixed up. Does have clear bra on the front. There's a few little scratches here, but this is in the clear bra, not in the black part. Those are there, but we could remove that clear bra if you want. Has good Michelin tires on there. Sunroof. Start it up here for you. So has all your eco mode, wireless phone charging. 18,213 on the miles. Adaptive cruise, lane assist, 360 camera. Heated and cooled seats here. Does have a heated steering wheel, power lift gate, memory seats, power locks, mirrors and windows. Your sunroof controls. Does have a JBL sound system on there, navigation. All your different apps. Does have all-weather floor mats, two-tone leather, power seats, your VIN number. Power options there in the rear. I don't see any rust under there. Power lift gate. All-weather mats. JBL subwoofer there. Spare tire and jack. Does have your cover here. Hide all your personal belongings. (2021) Toyota RAV4 Limited all-wheel drive. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.